feel like your workday is a constant uphill battle? Like your to-do list is multiplying faster than you can check things off, and the pressure is building to an unbearable level. You are not alone. In today's fast-paced world, workplace stress isn't just a buzzword. It's a reality many of us face daily. But what if I told you it doesn't have to control your life? What if you could learn to navigate the pressures, reclaim your peace of mind, and even thrive amidst the chaos? Welcome back to my channel, where we are dedicated to helping you live your best life, both inside and outside the office. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that touches us all: coping with workplace stress and maintaining your well being. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a toolkit of practical strategies to transform your workplace experience from overwhelming to empowering. So now let me share the screen with you. Now we are going to talk about the pain points, the challenges. Let's be honest, we have all been there. The knot in your stomach on Sunday evenings, dreading Monday, the constant feeling of being on call even after hours, the never ending stream of emails and messages that make you feel like you are always playing a catch up. But it's more than just a feeling of being busy. Workplace stress can manifest in many ways, impacting not just your professional life, but your personal one too. So, are you experiencing any of this? I'm going to talk about each one of this. Physical symptoms: headaches that just won't quit, trouble sleeping, even when you are exhausted, persistent muscle pain, muscle tension in your neck and shoulders. Stress can literally make your body ache. Now, coming to emotional toll: feeling irritable or short tempered with colleagues or even loved ones, experiencing anxiety or a sense of dread, a constant feeling of being overwhelmed or even apathetic towards your work, decreased productivity and focus, finding it hard to concentrate on tasks, making more mistakes than usual, procrastinating even on important projects because the thought of starting feels too heavy, strained relationships. Are you withdrawing from social activities or neglecting your personal relationships because work stress consumes all your energy? Burnout, and perhaps the most severe pain point, the dreaded burnout. That feeling of complete emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion, where you just feel utterly drained and ineffective. If any of this resonates with you, you are not alone. These are common struggles in today's demanding work environments. But the good news is, you have more control than you think. Let's shift gears and talk about solutions and practical strategies that can truly make a difference. So now let's get into the practical strategies. I'm going to discuss each one of this. All right, so let's turn the tide. Here are some actionable strategies you can implement today to start managing workplace stress and prioritizing your well being. Solution one: master your time and tasks. First up, let's tackle the feeling of being overwhelmed by tasks. It's not always about having more time, but about managing the time you have more effectively. Prioritize ruthlessly. Use a system like Eisenhower matrix, urgent important matrix, to identify what truly needs your immediate attention. Focus on high impact tasks first. The Pomodoro technique. Work in focused 25-minute bursts, followed by short breaks. This can significantly improve concentration and prevent burnout from long stretches of work. Batch similar tasks. Group similar activities together. Reply to all emails at once. Make all your calls in a dedicated block of time. This minimizes context switching and improves efficiency. And say no gracefully. Learn to decline new commitments when your plate is already full. It's okay to protect your time and energy. Practice polite phrases like, I would love to help, but my current priorities mean I can't take on anything new right now. Solution 2, set clear boundaries. This is crucial in our always connected world. Without boundaries, work can bleed into every aspect of your life. Define your work hours. Stick to a clear start and end time. When your workday is over, log off, close your laptop, and resist the urge to check emails. Create a digital detox routine. Establish a time each evening when you put away your work phone and laptop. Use this time for family, hobbies, or just quiet reflections. Communicate expectations. Let colleagues and clients know your availability. If you are not expected to respond to emails at 9 p.m., they won't expect it. Protect your weekends and day offs. These are sacred. Use them to truly disconnect and recharge. Resist the urge to just check in on work. Solution 3, prioritize physical well being. Your body is your temple, and when it's stressed, your mind follows. Taking care of your physical health is a non negotiable affair for stress management. Movement is medicine. Even short breaks for stretching, walking around the office, or taking a brisk walk during your lunch break can release endorphins and reduce tension. Aim for regular exercise outside of your work hours daily. Fuel your body. Opt for healthy, balanced meals. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugary snacks that can lead to energy crashes and increased anxiety. Stay hydrated. Sleep is your superpower. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. A tired mind is a stressed mind. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Cultivate mental and emotional resilience is our fourth solution. Stress isn't just about external pressures, it's also about how we perceive and react to them. Building mental resilience is the key. Doing mindfulness and meditation. Even 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness daily can dramatically reduce stress. There are tons of free apps and guided meditations available. Just focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to acknowledge things you are grateful for, even small ones. This shifts your perspective from what's going wrong to what's going right. Have positive self-talks. Challenge negative thought patterns. Instead of I can't do this, try I will do my best. And that's enough. Be your biggest cheerleader. Connect with others. Don't isolate yourself. Talk to trusted colleagues, friends, or family about what you are going through. A problem shared is a problem halved. Identify your stress triggers. What specific situations or people consistently cause you stress? Once you know your triggers, you can develop strategies to either avoid them or manage your reaction to them. Coming to solution 5, lean on your support system and seek help. Remember, you don't have to go through all this alone. Sometimes external support is exactly what you need. Talk to your manager or HR. If stress is becoming unmanageable, consider a constructive conversation with your manager or HR. Frame it around finding solutions to improve productivity and well-being, not just complaining. Utilize the Employee Assistance Programs, EAPs. Many companies offer this free, confidential, counseling services through EAPs. Don't hesitate to use them. Ask for professional help. If stress is leading to anxiety, depression, or severe burnout, please consider seeking help from a mental health professional. A therapist, a counselor can provide tailored strategies and support. And build your tribe. Cultivate supportive relationships outside of your work. These are the people who will uplift you and help you gain perspective. Now, let's do a quick recap. Managing workplace stress and maintaining your well being isn't a one time fix. It's an ongoing journey, but by implementing these strategies, you are taking powerful steps towards a healthier, happier you. Remember these key takeaways. Master your time and tasks through prioritization and focused work. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life. Prioritize your physical well being and mental well being with movement, nutrition, and sleep. Cultivate mental and emotional resilience through mindfulness, gratitude, and positive self talks. Lean on your support system and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. You have the power to change your relationship with work. It's about proactive steps, self compassion, and understanding that your well being is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Now, coming to call to action. I hope this video has given you valuable insights and practical strategies. Now it's your turn to take action. Start small. Don't try to implement everything all at once. Pick one or two strategies from this video that resonate most with you and commit to trying them this week. Share your thoughts. What's your biggest workplace stressor? And what's one strategy you are going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Your experiences can help others in our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach out to more people who needs this information. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos on personal growth, well-being, and thriving in all areas of your life. Check out the description below for links to helpful resources, including recommended apps for mindfulness and time management. Thank you so much for watching. And at the end of the webinar, you will find QR code for the various courses and programs that we have. Remember, your well-being matters. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.